Assalamu alaikum. In today's video we will discuss introduction to integration. So integration can be used to find the area, volume, central points and many useful things, but it is easiest to start with finding the area under the curve of a function like this, which is given below. Finding an integral is the reverse of finding a derivative, means integration is the reverse process of derivative. So you should really know about derivative. For example, what is the integral of x square? We know that the derivative of x square, which is 2x. So integral of 2x, which is x square, means integration is the reverse process of a derivative. Similarly, the derivative of sine x, which is cos x, and the integration of cos x, which is sine x. Now look at the example and integration of 2x dx. Here x is the function we want to integrate, and this is the integration of symbol, and dx means integration with respect to x. Why we write plus c? Is integration of 2x dx, which is equal to x square plus c. If we again take the derivative of this function x square plus c, then we will get the result 2x, because the derivative of x square, which is 2x, and the derivative of constant c, which is 0. Here c is the constant of integration. There is some rule of integration. First one, power rule. Integration of x power n dx, so we can write which is equal to x power n plus 1 divided by n plus 1 plus c, where n not equal to minus 1. Example, integration of x power 3 dx is equal to, by using this power rule, here the power of a variable which is 3, if we add 1 with the power, so we can write x power 4 by 4 plus c. What is the integration of square root x? By using power rule, integration of x power n dx is equal to x power n plus 1 divided by n plus 1 plus c, where n not equal to minus 1. Similarly, integration of square root x dx is equal to the value of square root, which is 1 by 2. So by using this power rule, we get the result 2x power 3 by 2 divided by 3 plus c. There are some well-known functions which are given below. Integration of a dx is equal to ax plus c. Look at the example, integration of 3 dx, 3 constant number, so we can write 3x plus c. Similarly, integration of x dx, which is equal to x square by 2 plus c, by using the power rule. Example, integration of 3x dx is equal to 3x square by 2 plus c. Also, integration of e power x dx is equal to e power x plus c. Similarly, and integration of e power 2x dx is equal to, so we can write e power 2x by 2, coefficient of x we can write in the denominator, plus c. Also, integration of 1 over x dx is equal to log of x plus c. So look at the example, integration of 1 over 2x dx, so we can write 1 by 2, and integration of 1 over x, which is log of x plus c. And integration of cos of x dx is equal to sin x plus c, and integration of sin x dx is equal to minus cos x plus c. Integration of secant square x dx is equal to tangent x plus c. Now look at the question. Evaluate the integral of x power 4 plus 3x cube minus 7 dx. So taking separate integration, x power 4 dx plus 3x cube dx minus 7 dx is equal to integration of x power 4 dx plus 3 integration of x cube dx minus 7 integration of 1 dx. Now by using the power rule, x power n dx is equal to x power n plus 1 divided by n plus 1 plus c. So we can write x power 5 by 5 plus 3 x power 4 divided by 4 minus 7 integration of 1, which is x minus 7x plus constant of integration c. Next question, evaluate the integral of 1 over x power 4 dx. So 1 over x power 4 dx we can write x power minus 4 dx. Now by using the power rule of integration, integration of x power n dx is equal to x power n plus 1 divided by n plus 1 plus c. Same here, we can write x power minus 4 plus 1, we get x power minus 3 divided by n plus 1 minus 4 plus 1, so we can write minus 3 plus c. Here the power of variable which is minus 3, so we can write in the form of minus 1 over 3x power 3 plus c. Next question is, evaluate the integral of x power 3 plus 1 divided by x power 3 dx. Now dividing both term by x power 3, we get the result integration of 1 plus 1 over x cube dx. Now taking separate integration, so integration of 1 dx plus integration of 1 over x power 3 dx is integration of 1, which is x, plus integration 1 over x power 3, we can write x power minus 3 dx. So integration of x power minus 3, which is equal to x plus x power minus 2 by minus 2 plus c. By using the power rule, x power n dx is equal to x power n plus 1 divided by n plus 1 plus c. So we can write x minus 1 over 2x square plus c. Next question is, evaluate the integral of 4 cos of 2 minus 3x dx. Here 4 is a constant number, so we can write 4 integration of cos of 2 minus 3x dx. As we know that integration of cos is equal to sin x, so 4 sin of 2 minus 3x divided by minus 3 plus c, which is equal to minus 4 by 3 sin into 2 minus 3x plus c.